Il-Viċi President tal-Eżekuttiv tal-Kumpanija Franċiża Electricité de France Bruno Lesser tkellem b'mod pożittiv dwar il-ħidma tal-Gvern Malti fis-settur tal-enerġija. B'mod partikolari huwa laqab sodisfazzjon is-sħubija tal-Gvern Malti mal-kumpanija Ċiniża Shanghai Electric. Dan l-investiment li se jnaqqas bin-nofs id-dejn tal-Ene Malta ġie ffirmat f'Marzu li għadda u ġie meqjus bħala salvazzjoni għall-kumpanija Maltija.
I'm very interested by the recent involvement or partnership between Ene Malta and a Chinese company, which demonstrates that even in Malta, energy is really a global business.
Il-Viċi President tal-Eżekuttiv tal-Kumpanija Franċiża kien jinsab f'pajjiżna biex jattendi għall-konferenza tal-enerġija li tellet din il-ġimgħa. U kellimna dwar l-importanza ta' din il-konferenza.
The importance of this energy conference today in Malta is to show the renewed interest of European Union for the Mediterranean region and the role Mediterranean region can play in changing the scene for the supply of energy, not only in Europe but also in the entire region.
Lesser tkellem ukoll dwar il-ħidma tal-Gvern.
I'm extremely interested by the interest recently showed by the government of Malta to try to diversify its energy mix and using gas, and we are following the project ongoing. I'm also extremely interested to see the progress made on the interconnection with Italy in electricity, and this is the demonstration that Malta is integrating the European energy policy.
Temjgħid li Malta qed jirnexxielha tagħmel l-enfasi meħtieġa dwar l-importanza tal-Mediterran.
Malta is ideally placed to remind everybody that the Mediterranean region is not only important for the Mediterranean countries but also for the entire Europe.